So if you looked at the service video, here we are with the Danita 1240 UK. We've done one of these recently which was a poor condition one, but this is a really nice condition one. On behalf of Alan, it's a repair for Alan. These are PR27 94 rather than 2781, so they're on UK channels, not to be confused with CPT under the PR27 GB. The UK channels, but with a receiver performance requirement, meaning that they've got crystal filtered receivers, a better interference characteristics on transmit, which paved the way for the PR27 97 sets in 97. So there you go. See Mr. Mega Chippie's out there. Tango 21. Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Yeah, Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I just plugged my extension speaker in.
Roger that. Not the loudest that. Is that the original mic with it?
It is the original mic, and I'll talk properly into it over.
Roger. Let me know when you're ready.
I am ready.
Roger, off we go then.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this set there's no tone control.
Roger.
So when it came in it was doing 3 watts, it's now doing 4 watts, and the receive was pretty good at 0.5, but it's now 0.36. It was actually the IF which was a bit out on this, so it was a bit garbled.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
And there's a look at the factory original mic, folks. Don't see many of those.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
There you go, we spot on time today, half 7.
Yeah, it's 25 to.
And when you went down to the door then?
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. What are we doing at Danita? I think we'll do that Danita CBT 2-channel 20mm handheld cable today.
Have you just told me that we're doing a Danita now?
Oh yeah, but you don't know what model.
No, I don't. I know it's a Danita. Yeah, Roger on that crappy little handheld. Well, there you go. So about Finland is money. Right, we're passing the top of the hill as we're down in towards Willisford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
On Danita, 1240 UK, which is set from 1994, and I'm on the slightly original microphone, and the radio's been 441 out from there.
Yeah, roger that. All received.
We'll see some of the PR2794 legislation, step up to receivers.
Very good. Not a big fan of TX audio, but I think we've been spoilt lately by other sets.
Yeah, and again, you know, do I charge this on a standard replacement mic? You know, should I be doing that?
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. So have you not got a standard replacement mic for that set?
Well, whilst you're going over the level crossing, I'll see whether it's all the maximum. Sorry, if it's already started, that's fine.
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
I get 21?
Yeah, go ahead. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, are you receiving?
Doubles with it.
Roger that. Is that a replacement mic?
No, it's standard replacement.
Yeah, bit fuller, bit bassier.
So which do you think's the best?
The one you're on now.
Roger, okay. Well, carry on the test with it, and then we'll compare them to the base station at the end.
Yep, roger that.
So for everybody out there, it's standard Uniden, the way the Danita is.
Roger, right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Got you at the Grayleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
So I've got you at the 5 mile point. So on Danita 1240 UK, now on a standard replacement mic. The radio's doing a full 4 watt output, drawing 1100 milliamps. And there isn't low power because on later legislation with the PR2794. That's all there is I can tell you about it. Over.
Yeah, roger that. Well, it was all well received.
Excellent, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, petrol price is 144.9, 153.9.
Roger on that. We'll just add. People might wonder why we're doing this petrol price. So we can have information at this distance without it being the same things every time. Right, well that works great. Thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, petrol price is 144.9, 153.9.
Roger on that. I will just add that people might wonder why we do this petrol price thing, and it's so we can pass information at this distance without it being the same, exactly the same things every time. That's what it's about. Right, well that worked great, Mr. Chippie. Thank you.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Right, that worked fine. So we'll listen to it on that mic, standard replacement, and then we'll go back to listening to it on the factory original into our Midland base station. Yeah, I think we'll do the little handheld tomorrow. I don't know whether I've left it on here. We've got it's a Delta 2, I think. It's a 2-channel kiddie type walkie-talkie. It's 20 milliwatts output. So that should be good, shouldn't it? We should get miles on that. On CPT. Yeah, right. Well, might get to the end of the driveway of the house. Thanks for...
Tango 21, testing Alan